Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying compressor pressure and flow match the turbine's plate, typically set pressure first. Once confirmed, mount the inline 5 micrometer filter and regulator directly on the compressor outlet so contaminants never reach the turbine. Next, cut and route 6 to 8 mm oil-free tubing to the dental unit. Make sure tubing length minimizes bends. Tighten push-fit or compression fittings and secure with hose clamps. You want airtight joints before proceeding to power and turbine hookup. Now you attach the free tubing to the turbine inlet using the specified quick connect coupling. Listen for a click to confirm. Then insert a moisture trap and one-way check valve between the filter and the unit to prevent backflow and water ingress. Mount a pressure gauge at the regulator output and slowly bring pressure to the manufacturer's recommended PSI while watching for leaks. Once pressurized, cycle the foot control and run the turbine briefly. Observe smooth acceleration and stable sound to know connections are correct. Finish by performing a 5-minute run-in at low load so seal seat and bearings stabilize. Monitor temperature and noise. After that, inspect every joint and fitting with soapy water to reveal any micro leaks. Tighten only as needed to avoid stressing fittings. Record baseline pressure and vibration readings for a reference on future maintenance. If the turbine sputters or stalls, the key troubleshooting tip: immediately depressurize. Check the moisture trap and inline filter for blockage. Replace the filter element before retesting to prevent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.